Are you struggling to come up with content? If so, we have the solution for you. I'm Bria Zeider, and this is Web Education Services. Let me introduce you guys to Answer the Public. This is a great tool to help you generate ideas to blog and talk about. It's simple. Just type in your keywords. For example, we're going to be using pest control. So once you search your keyword, it's going to show you a wide variety of ideas associated with who, what, where, why, how. It'll also show you a wide variety of ideas surrounding prepositions such as can, without, is, for, near, and of course with comparisons such as and, verse, like, or. And at the end, it's going to show you the results for absolutely everything. So this tool is super convenient. And if you need help navigating through this site, we'd be more than happy to help. Hopefully the results will help generate some ideas. But if you can't, reach out to us. You can find us at webeducationservices.com, or you can call us at 727-222-6984. We'd be more than happy to help.